Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of a 2022 Chrysler Voyager LX. You can see with the key fob here, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is a brand new rear entry, wheelchair accessible van. It's got the manual conversion. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip. Super simple to do. I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry, so if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. Now, if somebody parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have a little more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable for you to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the positives to the rear entry, but if you're looking for a side entry, a full size, check out our website. We carry them all. Coming inside the van, we have about 56 inches of room, and once you're inside the van, it's right around that 56 inches as well. It does taper to about 32 inches of width here where the ramp sets. It's got the deep cut, which will hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. We got the 8 tie-down points, so you can get the 2 wheelchairs in as well for tie-downs. We do give 1 set of free Q-straight tie-downs away. There's a high dollar, so a lot of our competition try to give you the little cheapies. So be sure to compare that when you're comparing us to them. We've even installed this one with a gurney kit. It is ready to go. Got your gurney kit in there. This removes easily, so if you want to go from hauling gurneys back to hauling wheelchairs, it can be done in a matter of seconds with unscrewing these little red knobs here, pulling out the gurney hardware, getting a wheelchair or wheelchairs in here. And between that second row of seats, there's about 27 inches of room, so it leaves a lot of room to get up a gurney up in there. If you need an assistant or something on next to the person in the gurney, you've got that option. Got a little spare tire back in here. You can see that. I'll show it better in the pictures. Snap that back on there. There we go. It's got the Q-strength tie down and warranty information right there as well. Got your nice little console there for all your cups, plug-ins for your electronics, dual climate control rear air, backup camera. The dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can sync up your phone there, and you can operate all the power sliding doors up here as well. So when you get everybody secure, just come back out and simply reverse the process. Again, check it out, 1 finger. Super nice alternative to those costly power ramps and doors. Clamp it down and you're ready to roll. Now, our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do. Oh, I can also shut the door right here. I'll use the power door to show you that works. But our competition, of course, they're going to say, oh, we've got a better conversion than them, and that's what they get paid to say. Like, what do you expect them to say? But the fact is, ours comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are going to tell you 1 year, 12,000, or 3 years, 36,000 miles. You compare those to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty on this van. You tell me who has the better built conversion. So the tires are all matching. Got Yokohama, brand new Yokohama Avids up front. We just put these on today, brand new. The back are about close to 10-30 seconds, so they're also darn near brand new as well. We've got 2 tires brand new up front. Tires in the rear about 95%. So excellent tires on this van. As I do a walk around, I'm looking for small dents or scratches. I see one that ties to my fingernail right there, and I bet somebody at one point they pull up on these high curbs, maybe actually bumping into a curb or something like that. So I am not going to try to portray this vehicle as perfect. Every vehicle with 30,000 miles is probably going to have a little tiny bruise on it somewhere. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you about it. That's one advantage when you buy from Mobility 316. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. I hand select every single one of our vehicles. A lot of these dealers, they have what they call a buyer. They just buy vehicles. They get paid by how many they buy. They don't care if it's a good vehicle. They don't care if it's got a clean title. They don't care if it's been a flood. All they care about is buying one so they can get their commission on it. Well, me, I hand select every single one of our vehicles, and I stamp my name on every single one of our vehicles. There's a big difference than buying from me than most dealerships. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video, not a picture, a video of this VIN number. And why it is, a lot of these guys out there are fake profiles on Craigslist and Facebook. They're taking pictures of mine or other dealers, and they're cutting out our Mobility 316 out of the picture, and they're trying to sell it as their own. And what they're trying to get you to do is send them a deposit. Once you send them a deposit with your credit card or a wire, they're going to disappear off the face of the earth and you'll never hear from them again. They're probably not even in this country, but if you were to say to that person, hey, I want you to send me a video of that VIN number with your face and your name in it, well, they probably couldn't do it because the vehicle's here on my lot and they're in another country. So make sure you get a video of that VIN number. Do not get scammed. Okay, what we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy, Carfax shows one owner, no accidents or damage, last owned as a rental vehicle in nice, salt, rust-free California. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rentals. I would agree if it's a sports car. You know, it might have been driven pretty hard, but I don't think too many people rent a minivan to take it out and hot rod it. I think it just means highway miles, and that's a good thing for a used vehicle. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title, one owner, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. Now, Carfax shows this van went into service June 24th of 2022, so it meets the specs to be under the full factory bumper-to-bumper warranty until June 24th, 2025, or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. It meets the specs to be under the full factory powertrain warranty at any Chrysler Dodge dealer until June 24th, 2027, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. Now, whoever you do business with, find them online. Look at the reputation reviews. Find out who they are. Find us on eBay. 1,505 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. No matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they're a real company. Make sure that they got plenty of reviews. You can see our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews out of 290. I talked to a lot of people how they bought from a private individual they knew nothing about. They end up buying a vehicle. I've heard them buying vehicles that are stolen. You know, if they can't get a title for it, they have to give the vehicle back. They're out the money. I hear them buying vehicles that have bad flood damage, just all kinds of horror stories. Or they end up buying from one of these dealers that's got these ratings up here. You know, they're 1, 2, and 3-star ratings. You know, if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, call those 1 and 2 and 3-star dealers. You know, ones with flood damage they don't tell you about, salvage titles you don't know about, major slipping transmissions, you name it. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, another great feature about this van, when the door's locked, I hit the remote start button on the key. Van fires right up. So whether it's wintertime and you want to come out to a nice warmed up vehicle, take advantage of the heated seats and heated steering wheel, or it's summertime and you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, you have that option. Now, I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. It's got the power driver's seat there. Black cloth interior, looks darn near brand new. And a great thing about this van is it does have the one key. We can get additional keys made on your dime if you choose. We've got the push button start here. So anytime the key's in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to fish it out. You just put your foot on the brake, push the push button start, and you're ready to go. You see now the dummy lights are on, no check engine lights, no airbag. It's got 30,053 miles on it. Got a backup camera that works great there. It's a great safety feature. Yeah, that radio works just fine. And like I mentioned, we've got the heated seats and heated steering wheel. Those are nice come cold mornings. If you've never had a heated steering wheel, it'll change your life. They're pretty awesome. So I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirror windows and locks. I'm going to show you those moving right now. We tested the heat, air, belts, hoses, cruise. That mirror moving over there. Suspension, brakes, steering. Replace fluids as necessary. Taking these on a road test. Check the tires. Obviously there's 2 brand new tires and 2 darn near new tires. So my point is go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. We do not just run them through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through very thorough inspection. Underneath the hood, you have a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks. And it sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any fluid, like any oil leaks. No signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And no signs of any rust, from being up north in the Rust Belt. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 30,000 miles on it, they assume that just because it's 2022, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. they assume that it's in good condition, and that's the most dangerous thing you can do. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual, I don't care if it's another dealer, but what I want you to ask yourself is, do they show me their reputation online so I know I'm buying from somebody reputable and honest? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so I can see this vehicle's never been in a flood, there's no water spots on it, no rust? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you exactly what you're getting, and when it comes to reputation, please compare me to the competition. If you think buying vehicles is all about just year, price, and miles, you could not be more wrong. So much more goes into buying a quality vehicle, and that's what I look for when I purchase. So you know what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle that's got a damaged frame, whether it's from an accident or a flood. It may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video, not some lazy 30-second walk around. You're telling me they're gonna ask you to spend $40,000, $50,000, but they're not gonna get out there and make a good video for you so you know what's coming. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars per month, but I do it because Carfax is the best. Again, I'm buying from your perspective. That's just another angle that proves it. I want the best of the best. So you're telling me they're gonna ask you to spend $40,000 or $50,000, but they won't spend $45 on a Carfax report? Come on now. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reviews and ratings. We've gone over this already. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Put in your due diligence, and then finally, demand a warranty. As I mentioned, this van meets the specs to be in the full factory bumper-to-bumper warranty from Dodge. Sorry about that glare on the sun. It is bright out here today, but I will take it. It's a beautiful day in February in Kansas, so I am not complaining. But make sure you get that warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. So let's get it out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Chrysler home. We've done our due diligence, make sure it's roadworthy, pop it up to 70 miles an hour, steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, runs and drives like a brand new van. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. Do keep in mind the van meets the specs to be under the full bumper-to-bumper warranty from Chrysler. We do offer very long-term, very affordable extended warranties that are also the factory-type bumper-to-bumper. Those go all the way up to 8 years, so you can continue that factory-type warranty even after it expires through Chrysler. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of dealers, they have a real nice price online, but they've hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up that shipping, that real nice price you saw online, well, it just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the shipping and hidden fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And I've got a question for you. If someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they've got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and sneak more money in on you, what else are they trying to sneak in on you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, we all know this, that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. If someone's not being honest and transparent from the get-go, there's a really good chance there's other things they are hiding. Be aware of that when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake coming down this ramp, and you'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So all exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct link to my cell phone. You can call or text me, whichever's easiest for you. And I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you have to call in, talk to an automated system, and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman that once he has your phone number, He's not stopping until he gets that sale. 5 times a day calling you. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number, you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman. Give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish. I promise you I'm going to sell this Chrysler whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. And if computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase. There's a lot to show you, and I try and be as thorough as possible. Hey, if you get a chance, we would really appreciate if you give us a thumbs up on this video on YouTube, a like. That would help us out. You're also welcome to give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming videos and inventory. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, all from the most detailed and thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call today and have yourself a wonderful day.